Hey, you guys. I don't even say that. Ugh. I don't know why. Sometimes I get on my camera and then I just am not me. Let me give it a couple minutes. All right, that's like 3 seconds. Anyway, so it is actually Monday, which is usually a pretty busy work day for me. And to be honest, I was working from like 10 a.m., about 11 a.m. to about 3:30. So at least about 4.5 hours. And now I'm done for the day. So I did get like a good chunk of work done. I also enrolled my teenager into driving school, which is so exciting for her. So that's going to be awesome for her to start taking those classes really soon. So I did that. I also was doing some housework. I'm going to flip the camera in just a minute to show you guys one of the things that I'm doing right now. But I didn't want to not waste the day or I didn't want to waste the opportunity to vlog. Right now, I have all of this stuff over here on the bed. I took off the bedding and washed that early this morning. So it's been a productive Monday, which is fantastic. I actually woke up twice. I woke up at 6 a.m. And whenever I wake up like really early, to me that's early because it's summertime. I don't have to get up to put the kids to school or anything like that. So it's early for me. So whenever I wake up early like that, I'm always asking myself, or God, really, is there something you want me to wake up for? So I woke up and prayed, listened to the prayer call that Kylia Jackson was hosting this morning. And what else did I do? I think I did that. And then I fell back asleep for like another hour. And then my daughter came in and we actually switched places. She laid in my bed. Oh, my fiance's calling. Okay, I'll be right back. Hold that thought. I guess he's out shoe shopping today. So, and he wanted to see what size I wore and my daughter wore so he can get some shoes. So, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. So, I listened to the prayer call, which was good. I did my own prayer, went back to sleep, got up, and I was able to do my mommy pooch workout that I've been following for the past 3 weeks. I'm proud of me. I'm getting back on track, you guys. And then all the other like regular morning routine stuff in addition to starting laundry. So because yesterday, like typically I do all of that stuff on Sundays, but this past Sunday was busy. So this past weekend was a little bit busier. Saturday, my fiance just got back in town from a really long work trip. So we just kind of chilled all Saturday. And then Saturday night we went out to eat. Sunday, my best friend had a graduation party for her son. So I went there a little bit earlier to help her out with setting up everything. And we were there for most of the day from about 1 to 10. So that was pretty much all of Sunday. So I didn't do my typical Sunday routine yesterday. So I'm kind of doing it a little bit today with balancing work and a little bit of that reset. I also have the vacuum off to the side over here. Because once I'm done fixing my bed, I'm going to vacuum. And then I have to make sure that I finish editing the video that I was supposed to post on Friday and getting that up this week. I want to give myself the goal of posting 3 videos this week. I know last week it was hard for me to barely do the one. And it's really because I was overthinking. Because I'm seeing all these content creators and I really like their content. So I'm looking at my own, like, how can I make mine better? And that kind of slows me down. I mean, it's good, of course, to improve in every level, but it slows me down from creating because I'm trying to do all these editing tricks, which take time for you to learn, you know? So I want to challenge myself not to overthink too much, just to get to the point and to make it as engaging as I can but just also document and be me and post 3 videos this week. So that's my goal. I'm actually going to, once I finish, sit and edit and then figure out what the other 2 videos will be for this week and then get them edited and uploaded today because I don't mean to talk about content creation every video, but that's the journey in my life right now, and I'm documenting. So I was doing really, really good at one point. Like, I had a whole month I was on schedule for my uploading days, which was Tuesday, like a motivational type of video, and then Friday would be like my regular vlogs. I was able to do that for a month because I kind of worked ahead. So I always have content on my phone recorded, but I took time. I want to say one night I actually edited 4 videos in one night, so where I couldn't sleep, so I just was up editing. And I edited them, and then I just uploaded all of them and scheduled them in the YouTube studio. And then later I would go ahead and worry about the thumbnail, title, description, all that stuff afterwards. And that actually really worked for me. It worked really well. So I want to get to that point and try it this week with the 3 videos. I have 2 that are pretty much done, which I could do that with actually. And I'm pretty sure I have more content on my phone that I could just edit, add some B-roll clips and text, and then get it uploaded. So that is the challenge to myself. I really do like challenging myself because it kind of shows me, you know, how much farther I can go. So that's what I want to do. But I'm going to stop talking now and get started on this bed, because I kind of want to like use all my physical energy before I like sit down to edit. And I actually want to rest when I start to sit to edit. Does that make sense? It makes sense in my head. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started now.
To the most number of people, which means it's shallow content. And if you look at the most viral videos,
exactly.
Cats and proposals and football, you might get some attention, you might get some followers. They have a show on Netflix. This is like somebody that most people would know if you said their name. And this was a book launch, okay? So we helped different. So how many Mexican restaurants are there? How many coffee shops are there?
I wonder if the vacuum did. I need a haircut like as soon as possible. Let me put in, I'll open the window for just a second. Oh my goodness. Okay, so post editing, Capria, label this part of the video. This might be a weekly vlog because there's a lot going on this week. So title this part Monday Reset. Okay, aftermath. So quick commercial break. He just got back, so he bought me some Jordans. It's so funny because like I've always been like this. Like I'm never a sneaker girly. Like all year round I wear, not all year, I only wear a couple types of shoes. I do flip-flops and like sandals in the summertime. In the fall, I wear boots. Fall and winter is boots and sandals in the summer. And I wear running shoes like all year round because I like to get on a treadmill and work out. Beyond that, I'm bare feet. Like I don't wear too many different types of shoes. But when it comes to like tennis shoes, he's bought me almost every pair of tennis shoes that I own currently. He just bought me a new pair of shoes. So now I'm gonna show you guys the shoe. I think he bought me and my daughter the same type of shoes. Oh, I thought my son was coming in. But it's these. They're really cute. I like the beads on the front. And it's like a gray color, which I like. It's like gray and gold. Because I feel like it can go with a lot of things. But now I have to figure out how to dress in these types of shoes. Because I'm not like a sneaker girly at all. As you can see, like even today, I'm just at home all day. And I wear dresses for the most part at home. Sometimes this summer I'll probably do biker shorts and a big tee. An oversized t-shirt. So maybe I'll look for some more t-shirts and go on Pinterest and find some like outfit ideas of how to dress up shoes like this, because I don't wear these type of shoes, but they're really cute. Hopefully they're comfortable. I asked him to look for a running shoe for me, and he's gotten me so far 2 pairs of sneakers like this. They're cute. I give him an A for effort though. All right, and an update on this Monday reset. I really like the lighting right here when I'm really close to the camera. So sorry that my head's cut off. I just like the lighting right here. So the bed's made. The floor's been vacuumed, both mine and my daughter's area. I have one more load of laundry to finish, and then that'll be it for the cleaning portion of the Monday reset. So I'm really happy about that. But then I do want to sit down and finish editing this video that I want to have go up. I'm not sure if I want this one to go up tomorrow. Yeah, it can go up tomorrow because it's a lot of me cleaning. And tomorrow, my Tuesday videos, I want it to be like a reset inspired video because I'm in a reset series. So I'll make it my Tuesday video. And I'll just title it differently. But anyway, let's continue. What was I talking about? Oh, let's go check on the laundry.
All right, that was the end of the report, and that's what the full report was. Was it missing anything?
I think so.
Media to the faster way to make money without chasing virality, but to start making money right now.
Okay, so I'm recording instead of writing down after watching this video. So he's talking a lot about who your content is for, basically stating that that is more important than the amount of views you get, the amount of likes you get. The who will help drive everything, your ideas, when to post, what to share, what to post. It's going to help you get more shares to your content and stuff like that. And it kind of brought me back to the point that I wanted myself to remember. And I almost want to say that anybody else who is on this content creation journey as well, that yes, I mean, I guess the views, they do matter and they are helpful, but if you can use your content to help or serve at least one person and that makes a major impact in a great way on their lives, then that is big, you know? So it's almost like getting back to like why am I even making content in the first place? And I think that, I don't know, it kind of makes me want to just stop and do more reflection and digging just to answer the questions that I have for myself. Tassia, you on the bottom?
Huh?
You on the bottom?
What bottom?
The bottom of the screen.
Oh, yes. It's called Jesus. Wait, this is the last part. Wait, when I get to the sign.
Trent Shelton, Jasmine Star, pick a lot of really great creators, and they're really brilliant. They have really great audiences, and they have large audiences.